You need to a full guide of battery life improvement as a reference, and that's why this video comes. So, take a look at it and you won't be disappointed. Common tips to improve iPhone battery life. 1. Lower screen brightness. Dimming your iPhone screen saves battery and benefits your eyes. In Settings, Wallpaper and Brightness, lower brightness using the slider. 2. Tighten up auto-lock. To save battery, set a shorter auto lock time in Settings, Display and Brightness auto lock, like 30 seconds. 3. Turn off Wi-Fi if you don't need it. To save battery, turn off Wi-Fi when not needed in Settings Wi-Fi by tapping the switch. 4. Turn off LTE. To save energy, turn off LTE in Settings Cellular if you don't need high-speed internet. 5. Limit background refresh for applications. To save energy, turn off background app refresh in Settings General Background app refresh when your iPhone's battery is low. 6. Restrict unimportant notifications. Conserve energy, limit notifications in Settings Notification Center, and disable unnecessary categories. 7. Don't update apps automatically. Turn off auto app updates in Settings iTunes and App Store automatic downloads. Disable update slider. 8. Fetch email manually. Fetch emails manually in Settings Mail Fetch manually. 9. Do not activate location service. Disable location services in Settings Privacy Location Services. 10. Use low power mode. Enable low power mode for maximum battery life.